Hey everyone, it's Cameron from Growthware. Today we're going to be going over how to create a membership inside Growthware. So to first get to your settings, go to the bottom left-hand corner where your name's at, click your name, then click account settings. From account settings, click memberships. And right here, this is where you can go ahead and click add membership. So you have two different options for your memberships. The first option is a subscription. And so this is to be set up like a plan for your customers to provide them with regular access to your service. It's something that's either billed monthly or annually. The second option is the package. This is where a customer can purchase a bundle of credits to use towards the classes. So let's set up a subscription. So I'm going to go ahead and click subscription, then press continue. So right here, we'll give this subscription a name. We'll call it, let's say Open Gym. And then for the price, let's say that for Open Gym, it's $20. And for that $20 a month, they can have, let's say, 5 credits. The billing cycle, you choose between monthly or annually. I'm going to choose monthly. And then credits expire after. This is where you can decide, those 5 credits, say whatever they didn't use, maybe the first month they didn't use all 5 credits, and you want them to expire so that they don't keep rolling over. You can choose that, or you can choose that they never expire so that they continue to roll over and they can use those credits since they paid for them, however long they want. Once you do that, you press create, and now you've created your first subscription. Let's go ahead and create a package right here. So this is where customers can go and pay a certain amount and redeem a certain amount of credits. So as they go and schedule on your calendar for a class or whatever the case may be, they'll have X amount of credits in their wallet that they can go ahead and pay for that class. So we'll give this, let's say, we'll just call this membership alpha. And then price, we'll say $200, 30 credits, and you can choose if the credits expire or not. For this particular case, I'm going to put never expire and then press create. Once I've done that, I now have this as a membership alpha as a package, so that when I create an invoice for a customer and they pay this, it will give them those credits that they've purchased so that they can go ahead and schedule future appointments or classes by using those credits. If you guys have any questions, please let us know. We'd be happy to help, and we'll catch you guys next time.